This video is about of Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph. At the same time, we discuss also about of modern method of unit conversion. Okay. Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, and modern method of unit conversion. Okay. Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph. So, here is our clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Peregrino Sinistine clock had only 10 o'clock. And 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminutes. 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Sinistine, or 6 peri-hours, 44 peri-minutes, and 17 peri-seconds. In the Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. Because the Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, is decimalized time and metric time. And the Peregrino Sinistine, 100 periseconds is 1 periminute. And 100 periminutes is 1 peri-hour. So, 1 periminute contains of 100 periseconds, and 1 peri-hour contains of 100 periminutes. The 1/4 of the Peregrino Sinistine. Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, 1/4. 1/4 equals 20 peri-hours. Then the time equivalent, Peregrino Sinistine to standard time. 1 peri-hour is, again, 1 peri-hour, Peregrino Sinistine is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 peri-minute, Peregrino Sinistine is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. 1 perisecond, Peregrino Sinistine is equal to 0.432 second standard time. Then the time equivalent. Time zones. Rather. Okay. Peregrino Sinistine, the future chronograph, time zones. Okay. 0 degrees longitude is 10 o'clock noon, alas 10 ng tanghaling tapat, alas 10 sa udtong tutok. 180 degrees longitude wide is 10 o'clock midnight, alas 10 sa hating gabi, alas 10 sa tungang gabi. 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock AM. And the other side of the time zone, 90 degrees longitude wide, is 5 o'clock PM. And now, the modern method of unit conversion. Okay. Modern method of unit conversion is speed conversion. Meter per second convert to meter per perisecond. Vice versa. So, our conversion formula, conversion factor rather. Yes. Our conversion factor 50 meters per second is equal to 21.6 meters per periseconds. Our conversion formula to find meters per perisecond is meter per second times 21.6 meters per perisecond over 50 meters per second. And to find meter per second is meter per perisecond times 50 meters per second over 21.6 meters per perisecond. Exercises. Exercises. 1 meter per second convert to meter per perisecond. So, exercises calculation. Exercises calculation. Again, to find meters per second is meters per second times 21.6 meters per second over 50 meters per second. Then down, meters per second. 1 meter per second times 21.6 meters per perisecond over 50 meters per second. So, meters per second over meters per second. So, cancel the meters per second. And the meters per perisecond remain. Continue. Meters per perisecond is 21.6 meters per perisecond over 50. So, equals 432 meters per perisecond. So, 1 meter per second is equal to 432 meter per perisecond. And we have now a standard conversion factor. Standard conversion factor. 1 meter per second is equal to 432 meters per perisecond. Then the standard conversion formula. Standard conversion formula are to find meter per perisecond is meter per second times 432 meter per perisecond over 1 meter per second. And to find meter per second is meter per perisecond times 1 meter per second over 432 meter per perisecond. So, that's all, and thank you so much.